still using lists within Excel, creating things like asset registers or even guest lists, tracking the progress, or even for inventory management? Well, there's a better solution for it, and it's called Lists. And it's available for free with your Microsoft Business Packages. Simply head on over to the Microsoft portal, click on the app launcher, click on More Apps, scroll down till you find Lists, which is this orange and yellow button here. Click on it, and then go to work. Click on New Lists. You can either create a list from a template, or you can create a blank list, give it a name, choose some icons, choose where it's published to. Lists are published to SharePoint sites, or you can have it within your own OneDrive. Click Create, and then add columns, etc. as you want. Now, the benefit of lists over Excel and so on is that it allows you to either create a Microsoft form to populate the list with, or create Power Automate flows based on changes to a list. The possibilities are endless. So how are you going to change the way you make and use lists?